Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's localize the option backup and reset, which is at the very bottom of the list, and tap on Google account in this Google backup section. Then let's tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and then tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so you're actually able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and here we've got the backup section also. So here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage right here, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got some backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and to finish everything just tap on backup now, and of course confirm it with your pattern or PIN or password, and your device is right now backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.